All right, so today I'm going to talk about table list of tables and then list of figures. I just did it, but it wasn't recorded, so sorry about that. The network broke down. So let me do it again. We have already learned about how to do a table of content and then how to do different paper orientation within the same document. Those videos are there. Today, we want to look at how to do a table of content, a list of figures and a list of tables. And of course, how to also orient our document, two columns on the same page, maybe with the first paragraph, not in two columns. So just stick and stay and then follow me. So quickly, let me share my screen and then we can go ahead. I'm going to share the entire screen. All right. So, and in that case, I have this document. You see that I have already created my list of tables and my list of this is how it's supposed to look like. So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to delete it, and then I will generate a new one, and then all of us will follow through the process to to generate a new one. Okay, now it's gone. All right. So if you have a document like this is a whole document. Let me move this to a new page. Maybe that's a review what somebody is doing. I think it's not yet finished. And so you have your document like this. So if you want to create you have a lot of tables that are there, you have a lot of figures that you have generated, and you want to have all those figures, the list of them somewhere. First of all, let's get to at least a table and then see. Yeah, so we have a table here. You see, so perhaps this table, the title, because the table is quite big, that is why it has moved. Yeah, so the title of the table is here. So, and then we have quite a number. Another table is here, figure is here. Then in that order, how do we list all of them? How do we list them? So first of all, this is what you do. You come to your home tab and you can see all the styles here. So the first one I was doing, you see that I have already created a style. So what you normally do is you create your own style. But because I've already created, I wouldn't waste your time. So you just come to the styles as you have here, the headings and whatsoever. And you come to this small arrow that's pointing down. You click on that. You see create style. So when you click on that, you will see that style one would obviously be there. So you simply name the style the way you want. So you could have named it, what is it, maybe tables. I intentionally spelled it that way because I've already got one. I don't want it to conflict. And when you do that, you come and modify. So you come and modify. You click on modify. You come here. You have style type. That is going to be paragraph. Then you have the style based on. You come and click something like a caption. Then you come and then the same way you put that place to also caption. So you make sure that these three bars we have here, you fill them up. The first one is the table you have named it. I named it tables with that wrong spelling. It's intentional because I've got table in my. So sorry about that. So when you have finished with that, you come to the next one, the style type. You have paragraph. Then you have the second one, the style based on a caption, and the style for following paragraph is caption two. So that way, then you are okay. then you come and click on. But you have, when you come here, you have to make sure that you say add to the styles in gallery. So you come and click like this. So you see that the tables has been created. It is here. The tables have been created and it is here. Then you do the same way for figures. Then you come here, then you create, then you follow the same procedure. Figures, because I've already got figures. All right. So you see that I've made a mistake. I've not modified. So what do? You simply come there and right click and you say modify. So when you come, you can come here and then with the figures around there, you come here, you have the style type. That is not giving me the opportunity to edit that portion. That is going to be based on a caption. And this on a caption, and then in that order. Then when you come here, you do your changes to automatic. You can do a modification here to the Times New Roman in that order. Maybe your font size, you want it to be, let's say 12. Then you want it to be italics or bold or whatsoever. Then when you have finished, you come and click. There's something here that I need to change. All right. So when you have done that, you have created your figures, you have created your tables. But like I said, I have already created. Now, when you have done that, then you now come to the document itself. Maybe let's say this is your first table. You come and highlight. When you highlight on it, then you go and click. Like those I've already created first. You know? The other one I just only showed you how it should be created. Then you come and click here, my tables. I have already created this one. So then wherever you see, so this is a figure, then you highlight on that and come and click on it, my figures. Then this is a figure, you highlight and come and click on my figures. So wherever you see a table, this is a table, highlight on the title of the table and then come and click my tables. Then you're going to do that. Another table is here and then you click on my tables. Highlight it, go to the styles and click the style that you have created using the same procedure that I use. Then you come here, you have a lot of figures that are there. Then you do like this. You come and click on my figures. There are about 3 figures there. You come and click on my figures and then highlight it properly. And then you come and click on my figures. Other sets of figures are here. You come and click on, you highlight it, and then you do repeatedly for all the figures that are there. And after you've done that, then I think this might be the last figure. All right. Okay, there are other set of figures here. Then click on each of them, highlight it, and then come and click on my figures in the style that you have created. Then I think this should be okay. Then we have figure A. So all the figures you have, you need to add them to the style of figure that you have created. I have one here, then you add it that way, and then in that order. I also have another one here, then I also highlight and come and click. So I think that's all of them. Now, when you have done that, then go back to where you have your list of tables is supposed to be and list of figures supposed to be. So this is where we're supposed to insert it. Then I come here, I go straight to reference, one click reference. Then you will see insert table, which is When you look at the center portion of all the tabs, you see insert tables and figures or figures. Then click on that. Now, on that, you come and have your options. So the options, you see that the first tile is the what you can see it is what caption. So you come and click on that. When you scroll, you will see the style that you created, and then you assign all the tables and figures, or you assign all the tables to. So it was my tables. Then you come and click here, my tables, and then come and click what is it? Okay, and then you come and click OK here. Then your tables will automatically be generated. As you can see, they are here. You do the same thing for figures. You go to the same place. You do insert. Then you come here to your options. Go to this place and look for my figures. This was the style you created, my figures. And you have assigned all the figures titles to this particular style. Then you come and make sure that style is inside here. It is checked. And then you come and click OK and come here, click OK again. This time around, this small pop-up menu will come. Do you want to replace the selected table of figures? When you click here, it will replace the what is on top here. But this is a different thing. But you see, so you come and click no, then your list of figures will be generated automatically. So you can use your manual way to do some kind of editing here. I can simply remove some few things that I don't need, and then I can simply go ahead and then update it. So that's how we do a table of content, a list of tables, and then list of figures, and then your Microsoft Word document. Now, the last thing I'm going to do is going to be this. Let me see if this can go up. Right. Yeah. So this can go up. The last thing I'm going to do is I have this. This is an abstract. I want the whole of this paragraph to remain the way it is, covering the entire page. But I want this last paragraph here to be in two columns on this particular same page. What do I do? Like the way I have highlighted it, that portion, then you come to page layout. Then you will see, if you see layout, you click on that, you will see columns. You come and click there, you see two columns. You should simply divide the work like this, and it makes your work so beautiful. So that's how we do list of figures, as you can see them here. But let me say that there are instances, this particular document you see here, I just picked it somewhere. It's not arranged. It's not properly, the figures are not properly done. If it were properly done, it would have been like this. This is how a list of figures look like, properly arranged. And then look at a list of tables, properly arranged. But the document itself was not properly arranged. I just wanted all of us to have what is the knowledge as to how to create it. But after you have created your list of figures and your list of tables, you can always come and do some kind of editing. Like for instance, I'm going to come here, then I can simply come and delete something here. I can delete some few things and then leave. Okay, I can delete this line. So you just highlight the one that you want to delete, and then that's all. You click on delete, and then it will take it out. Then in that order. So let's say I want to delete this line. Okay, so that's it. You just do your mechanical editing around here, and when you finish, you come and click on save, and then your document is in order. Already, you see that there are no page numbers, but the page numbers has been automatically generated and given to each list of the table here. Now, this list of table, what they do is when you come here and you put your cursor on it, you click Control plus Enter. It takes you straight. It's supposed to take you straight to that particular figure. Or so you press your Control key down and you click on this particular table. It should take you to okay. Okay, all right, it's okay. I'm not getting that intact. Maybe I've already said that the document is not properly arranged. So, but that's how we do it. And thanks very much, wherever you are. And that's how we do a list of tables and then a list of figures, and then how to create columns within the same page, different column within the same page. Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you. My name is Bright, and I hope you have learned something small. So tomorrow, God willing, I will start another different thing, how to organize the document and then how to put it in a well presentable form. Yeah, to those who are watching, thank you very much and have a great Sunday.